So today we're going to look at how to create a system restore point in Windows 10. This is part 1. It's a fairly straightforward process. If you go to your search bar and type in restore and then left click on create a restore point, and out of the box protection is actually disabled, so we'll have to enable that first. So if you click on configure and then if you left click on turn on system protection, click apply and then OK. Okay, we're now going to create a restore point. So what you need to do is click on the create button, which is at the bottom, left click on that, and then name the restore point. So we're going to call this before software install, and this will create the system restore point. There we go, restore point was created successfully. And now we're going to proceed to install an application. So part 2 will cover the actual restoring from the restore point. So this app, WinRAR, that we've installed, as you can see, it's in the start menu. This might cause us issues with the system. It might cause a blue screen problem. We can't remove it. So we could look at restoring. Yeah, so as I said before, in part 2, we'll look at actually restoring from that actual restore point. Thanks for watching.